My brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will tell you about paradise. The description of paradise will have the height of Adam, which is 30-meter long. They will also have the voice of Prophet Dawood, who had the most beautiful voice that any being ever had. When he recited the psalms, the birds came in the thousands to sing with him. Everyone who enters paradise, they will also have the beauty of Prophet Yusuf, who is the most beautiful man in the world so far. Everyone who enters paradise will be approximately 30 years old. It contains four tips of rivers of different sources. A source of milk, a source of water, a source of honey, a source of wine, with a taste that no one has. The food in paradise is different from the food here. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, in Jannah there is no suffering, no sickness, no sickness, no problems, just happiness forever. My brothers and sisters, run on this paradise. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.